Okay, so let's say you're using ARI to manage appointments, invoices, and estimates for your auto repair shop. And let's say that perhaps you're feeling a little limited in how you take payments with that software. Well, today I'm going to show you a new way that you can take in-person or keyed-in payments with your ARI software. You'll save on processing fees, and you won't need to complicate your workflow with an expensive integration. The answer to all this is Helcim's new payment extension. Let me show you how it works. The first step is to install and set up the Helcim Payment Extension in your web browser. You can do all of this on the Integration Marketplace listing page for your specific software. I've included a link to this below. Now, if you're already watching this video on that page, then just scroll up. In either case, you're going to see a button that says Install Extension. Click on it. This will open up a new tab in your browser that shows the Chrome Web Store listing for the Helcim Payment Extension. Now on this page, you'll see a button that says Add to Chrome. Click on this to start the installation. Well, note that this is done if you click on the puzzle piece icon in the top right corner of your browser window. You should see Helcim Payment Extension here, along with all the other extensions you might have installed. Now for convenience, you can click the pin icon to make sure that that icon always shows up at the top of your browser window. Now let's click on this icon to open the extension up. From here, you should be able to follow the steps shown in the extension drawer to set things up. Basically, this involves logging into your Helcim account and creating an API access token. That's just a technical term for creating a back-end connection between your account and the extension. How it works is you take that token and you enter it into the extension window to complete the connection. After that, you can then select a currency you want to process in, and then pair any in-person payment hardware you might have from Helcim. If you're still waiting on your hardware to arrive or you haven't ordered it yet, no stress. You always have the option to do this later in the extension settings. Now, if you want a full detailed step-by-step walkthrough of this setup process, there's a separate video I've made that I can link for you below. With the extension set up now, let's try our first payment with it. So with the extension open on the side, we're gonna navigate back to the ARI window and then open up our list of invoices. Now let's select this invoice for $100 on this Honda Civic. Now you can see the moment I open up the invoice, the payment extension automatically reads the $100 amount, as well as the customer's name. This is great because you don't have to do any manual entry to set up the payment. Now at this point, we can just select a payment method and then click Charge. Let's see how payment would look with a smart terminal paired with the extension. So once you turn your paired terminal towards your customer, they can either tap their card or insert it at the bottom to complete the payment. Once the payment's done, there will be an option to either print, send, or email them a receipt. Let's look at a different example now of a customer, let's say, making a payment over the phone. Now this time we're also going to try a different feature within ARI, which is to use one of our job cards to initiate the payment. So I'm going to create a new job card, assign it to a client, and then select a service that I'm doing on their car. Now once that service has been added, you can see that the extension once again updates with the correct amount. Once I save the job card, we can go ahead and take another payment. This time I'm going to use a manual entry method instead for my customer over the phone. Now I'm just going to enter their credit card information by hand, as well as their billing address. And then once I'm done, I can hit pay. Once again, the payment's processed, and then I can move on with whatever I need to do next. And that's it for now. I hope that now you found a new way to take payments with ARI using Helcim's payment extension. If you ran into any issues along the way, you can reach out to our support team for additional help. You can find their number at helcim.com/contact. I hope this video helped. I'm Victor from Helcim, and I'll see you next time.